Okay, so back to our button. I'm going to delete this on the hit state here, and I'll go back to what we had at the beginning, which was basically something that would behave more as we would expect. Fill that in. Now let's go work backwards a little bit, and let's change the over state of our button. The first thing we're going to need is a blank keyframe. So we right-click, insert blank keyframe. And now the over state is it's the rollover state. It's what the button's going to do when you roll over it. So I'll do something kind of goofy here. I could just, maybe I'll write it in a different color. Turn off the onion skinning and test my button. Go back to the scene. Test movie. And now as I roll over it, and again that rollover is activated by the hotspot that I defined in the hit state, it turns green. And it also changes position, which I did just because I spastically drew over the top of it. But that might be something that you like, that kind of move, that little bit of a shift is a really common way to increase user feedback rather than just changing the color. The actual position change kind of helps. People know that something's happened. Okay. So that was the over state. Now let's change the down state. So first thing we need to do, make sure we add a new keyframe, or a blank keyframe rather. And we can have it explode. Okay. Go back to the scene, test the movie. When we click on it, it changes to the third state, the click state. So we have up, over, click, and all that is activated by the hit, which is that big rectangle.